In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Medium account permanently. If you're sure you no longer want to keep your Medium account, this process is fairly quick, but it is permanent. So make sure you're ready before you confirm anything. It's always a good idea to review any articles, drafts, or saved content tied to your account beforehand. Because once the account is deleted, you may not be able to recover that information. To begin, go to your Medium home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward. Once you're on the main Medium page, look to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon or profile picture. Click on your profile in the top right corner. This opens the account menu where you can access different options related to your profile and account settings. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Medium lets you manage your account details and preferences. Once you're on the settings page, look for the option labeled Delete Account. Depending on your screen size or device, you may need to scroll a little to find it. When you see it, click on Delete Account to move to the confirmation stage. Medium will then ask you to confirm that you really want to remove your account. Click into the field that says to confirm deletion, type in delete below and type the word delete exactly as requested. Be careful to enter it correctly since this confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletion. After typing delete, click on Delete Account again. This is the final step that permanently submits your request. Once you do this, your Medium account will be deleted. If the button doesn't work right away, double check that you typed the confirmation word exactly as shown and that there are no extra spaces. Also, make sure you're still signed in and haven't timed out during the process. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete your Medium account. The steps are simple. Open your dashboard, go to your profile, enter settings, choose delete account, type delete to confirm, and then finalize the deletion. If you found this helpful, feel free to use this walkthrough anytime you need a quick reminder.